guys, good afternoon. So market is wild to the upside. We see big correlation dots here. As you can see, the market tagged it to the tick, guys, to the tick. You see here. Watch this, guys. Trap traders. Okay, so maybe we
Long
can go long
signal and
here, guys.
Q.
Okay, we got filled. What's a quick trade here, guys? Quick trade. Let's see. We can catch the profit. At least one target. Come on in Q. Push. Push. Okay, there we go. First target hit. Second target almost. Come on, guys. Okay, second target hit. 224 contracts long here. That's a lot of money, guys. More buyers in the tape. This is a reversal here, guys. We see, remember I always tell you about the linear regression and the ATR. Hopefully we can continue long here, else the market will just stall and reverse.
Short
Okay,
signal
so
and
I'm
Q.
out. Not a bad trade, but not a fulfillment trade. It was gonna take it from here, but I was at lunch, so I just couldn't take it. It was a very good winner here, but not a bad trade. You see, I always tell you guys, this is institutional level, and linear regression, it's a no-brainer, guys. You just,
Brick setup.
okay, we're gonna short here, guys. These guys are gonna push it a little bit down. At least I'm gonna get the target that I missed. Okay, there we go, guys. There we go. Gonna give it some room. We have already a cushion. Okay, more sellers in the tape.
Short signal and Q.
There you go, guys. There you go. First target hit, second target hit, third target hit. Okay, we're done. Over $700 here, both trades. Okay, guys. So I just want to tell you about what the market structure was today. As you can see here, this is a textbook trade, guys. We go to 11:24 my time. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 11:24, and we go 11:24 here. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we see here with imbalances to the upside. Okay, so we see them in the same in all the three instruments. Okay, so we see them in all the same instruments, and it was over here. Let's see the NQ. See correlation. That's very furious market, and Nasdaq fell into a sweet spot, and we have an imbalance to the upside. Okay, so everything aligned, guys. Everything aligned. This was a textbook trade. Okay, so if you don't want to trade the ES, you can move on to the MNQ. You can do one micro. Okay, one micro is 50 cents a tick, or you can go to the micro ES. Okay, and buy the micro ES, and that way you can make your trade. Okay, so don't worry about the market. It's like when the market is pushing higher or pushing lower, you say no, the market is not gonna pull back. It always pulls back, guys. Always pulls back. Always, all the time. It will need to pull back at least once or twice. Okay, so once it falls into the sweet spot, okay, you can make a trade, guys. That's all that I will tell you. Just need to have patience and wait for the perfect timing so you can make your trade. Okay, as you can see here, to the tick. See, guys, here you see the ES to the tick, guys. Almost not even a tick difference from the first ATR. It's incredible, guys. Then they fall into the sweet spot here, as you can see, and then you see the linear regression hit the MNQ. This is a, say it's a double top here. Same thing as the video from maybe 5 days ago. I remember it was a rejection from the high, then the linear
Short
regression
signal and
hit,
Q.
and there you go, it hits. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Okay, so be careful, guys. If you want to trade the open right now, the market is getting very, very quick. Like I said before, we're having lots of volatility right now. So I said like about 2 weeks ago that the
Brick
market
setup.
from now on to the December is not gonna be the same. Market is gonna be very volatile. So it's very good to just
Brick setup.
wait a little bit. If you don't have don't trade the open. Just let the market develop. Okay, once you see that both ATRs are pointing up on all instruments or pointing down, because the market can go down too. So okay, you just wait for the moment, wait for the pattern to develop, so that way you can take your trade. And if you want to just trade micros, it's okay, guys, it's okay. I will encourage you guys to get a funded account with Apex or whatever, or uh, you know any many companies that are out there. There's like about 8 or 10 that trade fund futures. So you just need to put your software to work, and your ability to trade, and you will get paid. Okay, guys. So that's the way it goes. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.